All right, are we excited? Let's check it out.
You haven't destroyed your door yet?
And
So here's my
wow.
space. I get all my.
It's wide and open.
They have furnished me the temporary, if you will, a bed and a
Nice
chair.
little bed. This is a studio apartment, right?
It's a studio,
Okay.
and that's all I need.
You're gonna look out into the
And I think that my slept
got
here.
your
Last
own
night the rain kept
heating
showering
and
me.
air, kind of like a hotel. You've got a little room right here. It's like a dorm. You've got actually two closets. One closet over here,
At night, you don't hear the cat, the cat.
one closet over here, and then you got a bathroom. Small bathroom. It's pretty sparse for $3,000. You know, very small for $3,000.
Either going back to Cary
This
or
is
out
like
to
the
mall.
fourth community. Let me open up
Now,
for me.
would my furniture fit in here?
This is like the fourth apartment that senior place Robert has been at. They've all been bigger and less expensive than this, so it is really nice though. We're right out here. It says Convention Street. I know you guys can't see it, but that green sign is a street sign. Look, the roses are in bloom down there. Oh, it's windy out here. I love that it's up in the pines like this. Up in the trees. That's awesome. And even the studio got a balcony. That's great too. So they do have a lot of options. Physical therapy rooms. They had a chapel.
Amanda, my bed would fit here, wouldn't it?
Where does this go? Is this your pantry?
This isn't, my bed would fit here, wouldn't it?
Little pantry?
I'm not good at being able to judge spaces.
There it
I wanted to
is.
show you that I am taking.
Stoneridge.
Here's my
Stoneridge?
bed.
Is this what it's called? Stoneridge.
Here's my bed.